Here we have the beautiful 2244 Hadleigh Hills Court in Navarre, Florida. This beautiful townhome is an end unit, which as you enter, you are greeted by this beautiful large format tile. Your half bathroom is just to your left, and your garage access is to the right. Right in front of me is a utility closet with your water heater. As we continue on, we see your beautiful open concept kitchen with plenty of cupboard space that goes right on to your large living area. So the large format tile is throughout the first floor. You have lots of natural light in this room, and you have a beautiful breakfast bar where you can pull up 4 or 5 stools. Your utility room can second as a large pantry as well, or whatever you choose to utilize it for, storage-wise. All steel appliances are featured in the kitchen. As we continue up to the second story, where you will find the bedrooms. Lots of natural light through here as you look down to the second floor, or first floor rather. Here we go. Bedroom number 1 is a beautiful wall-to-wall carpet bedroom with a window and lots of natural light, nice view of the community, a large reach-in closet. Next we come to bathroom number 1, the official full bathroom number 1. We have your sink, your commode, and your shower tub combination, as well as a linen closet in that room. Here we have bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 2 also features wall-to-wall carpet. It has a window with lots of natural light and a large reach-in closet too. Back to the hallway. There we will find the primary bedroom. This is a larger room, of course, with your window letting in lots of natural light. It is a large window, wall-to-wall carpet in here onto your primary bathroom with a single vanity sink with extra wide countertop. And you'll have your commode area and your large shower tub combination. Then we find our huge walk-in closet, very sizable with carpet. And that concludes our tour of 2244 Hadleigh Hills Court here in Navarre, Florida. Thanks for watching.